Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Ninja 400 ABS. This one's got the performance package from Kawasaki that includes a taller windscreen, frame sliders, an awesome sounding Akrapovic, and a tank pad. Only 6,375 miles on this beautiful showroom condition 2019 Ninja 400. Come on by, make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true for just $61.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.